Hello, how is everybody doing today? I have the hiccups just to warn you. What a wonderful time to do a taste test. There they go. Just happened. Anyways, this is my good buddy Bo. He will not be trying any of the Pop-Tarts. See? There it is again. But I saw these at Walmart and I said, I have to try them. They look good. I like most apple flavored things. Those sour, oh my gosh, sour apple Jolly Ranchers are delicious. So it should be good. The sour apple lollipops, delicious, should be good. This video is proudly brought to you by W Drums. I'll put his channel below. He loves these videos. He sponsored it. He gave me $500 to buy like 15 of these boxes. Anyways, let's get right into it and try some of this frosted crisp apple. The first thing you will notice is no like little flakes, dots on them, which is weird. What kind of apple is that? I know what kind of apple that is. These are immediately, without even thinking much about my other favorite Pop-Tarts, immediately number 3 on the list. They're that stinking good. What kind of apple is that? I have an apple in mind. Honey? Honey? Not honey. That makes no sense. Not Granny Smith. I don't know. They're really good. Try them. Amazing. Pop-Tarts. Man, are they good. Almost as good as that carrot cake Oreos. Check that video out too. But, man, very good. Very good. And they taste like I said, a really particular apple. What kind of apple is that? If you have these and you can think of the apple below, let me know. It's not Granny Smith. It has almost like a, gosh darn it, what is even that taste? A tart taste to it? Is that a good word? We'll say tart taste. Anyways, go try them. You might like them. I like them. They are very good. And like I said, immediately top 3. Wild berry, raspberry, and now crisp apple. Amazing. Very good. Adios. Thanks W Drums for sponsoring this fine video. Check out his channel below. Adios.